So welcome guys. In today's video we are going to be talking about how to create and verify our Binance account. So the first step is to download the Binance account. You go to your Play Store. It's basically to store cryptocurrencies. They can swap it to your fiat currency later. Then sign up using either phone number or email. As you can see here, you sign up with Google or your phone number. The next step is to verify your phone number or email. We send an OTP code to you. So once you receive the code, you will input the code, then you verify your phone number and email. Now, the third step is to start verification, what's called KYC. And they will tell you to upload your identity, your NIN, your passport, and the rest. You upload it. After you finish uploading it, they will scan your face to know if the document is correct. So it will take about 2 hours for you to be verified. Then when you are verified, you can proceed to start receiving payments. That's it for this video, guys. So hit the like button and subscribe.